Hello and welcome to today's tip. I'm going to be using all of my leftover letters that I don't use for anything else. They've just built up. What I'm going to start off by doing though is creating my single word that's going to sit in the middle. Now I'm just using an O0 for an O because I don't have one. And I've got a V over here. I'm just going to have this as my central word. Now this, if you're making a Christmas card, could be joy. It could be any word that you want that's going to be quite small but stands out against all of the other letters that we're going to stick in and around the card. So you definitely need quite contrasting letters for this. Then what I'm going to do is just very randomly add these other letters around my card. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. I've created a few clusters. If I wanted to, I could just continue just to add my letters around here, but I quite like the idea of creating little clusters. You may want to put people's initials in if you were doing a card for a wedding or something like that, which would also look amazing. But I really love this simple technique and you get to use all of your old lettering. I hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to seeing you next time.